Yeah, I think I've been driving full time for about 4 years now,
Full
close to five.
time? Like how many
Yeah.
hours per week do you usually drive?
On an average, at least like I would say like if I'm not even crushing it, I would say like maybe like 50 hours. We definitely like we even have like a little motto with like trying to tell people how to make, 2000 a week. And the number one consistent way, and sometimes you don't have to do it. Sometimes it's under. I've definitely hit it under. Um, but the most consistent way to hit it to $2,000 a week driving Uber is to put in 60 hours. What we try to do to, a lot of people still like the, flexibility or the social life and stuff like that. So they still want to do things on the weekend or whatever, have some free days. So we usually try to tell people, if you just crush it Monday through Friday, then you could give yourself the weekend and it gives you the time that you have for leisure and everything like that. Because if you do 12 hours Monday through Friday, that's already 60 hours. And that's just the best way we go about it. And we're not saying like you have to, like, a lot of people think like, oh well, like we're forcing people. We're just telling you like our best strategies, and that's pretty much what I've stuck to is doing the best I can. We've kind of like flopped around lately now that we're into content making,
Yeah,
to where like we usually try to have like a free day. Monday is usually like our shooting day that we go and shoot content and stuff like that, or maybe put the video for the week, we put that together and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just that's how we go about it, man. Just I don't really have that many other obligations. I don't have kids. I'm single. No kids running around, no animals. So a lot of my time, man, like what else am I gonna do? Like be like everybody else watching Netflix and talking about Jeffrey Dahmer. Like it doesn't. I rather make some money, man. It's not that big of a deal to me. And I know if I sacrifice now, then I could play harder, later on in life. When I get everything, get the ball rolling and stuff. So it's about
true.
people's priorities, man, and that's my priority right now is level leveling myself up, becoming the best version of myself, and doing other things. I'm not driving forever. I think that's what a lot of people need to understand too. Is like it's not a lifetime career,
Yeah.
and it shouldn't be. It should be something that could let you get. It's a lily pad. You get to, or like the stepping stone. You get to one, you get to the next one until you get across, and that's just kind of how I look at it.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like it's not a very sustainable career, but I do think it's a
Mm-hmm.
good um like job to do if you're trying to get to another point or like you have other goals in life.
Yeah, absolutely.